not subscribed yet.
Got a call from your mom today, and things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. And she's missing the company of her daughter. You cannot replace the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. Soldier in pain. She's trying to hold on to the times that remains. Sometimes it can feel so hard till it drives you insane. With your picture in hand, she just can't understand why it's taking so long, and she wants to move. Just a blink of an eye, then she started to cry. She's holding on to those memories.
Yes, hello. Glad you answered the phone. Me need to talk to you, for a long time. Now me get you because me notice me always call your phone and you're not answering the phone. Me and you are no friend, and me no know how my daughter take up one little bacteria looking germs like you as friend. You is an idiot. You is dunce. And you come to lead my daughter astray. Now you make my daughter gone out of the yard. First, me come to my yard, come see you. Wish you never invited. Where no bones are provided, no dogs are invited. And a matter of fact, me tired to tell you if you move from me gate, now you're catching at the house. Me warn you from when? I know you make my daughter gone. You a lead my daughter astray. And anything happen to my daughter, you may call police for. Yes. Because I know she can't come back. And you see, anytime she come back, a matter of fact, when she make up her mind, say she want to go with you, me tell her to go on. Because you are Satan pick me. I want to come to broke out other people pick me. Let me tell you something. No come back on my yard. And any you make my daughter breed and I like it. And anything at all happen to her, if she missing a you, a matter of fact, me go to station go report you. Right now, that's anything bad happen to her, are you in a problem, not me. And me know say she there where you there, and if she not there where you there, you know where she there. You are invigilate for do bad things. Don't worry yourself. Yeah man, big up yourself man. Yeah. Me know say you're rum, you not have to tell me that. Me know rum not have nothing to do with you. That's why you want people pick me if you come drink rum, if you come be like you and smoke like you. Okay. Because you're not abide in city. Alright. Stay with her. I hope when anything happen to her, you're responsible for her. Not send her back at me yard because I go turn her back. You hear me? I don't. Oh, yeah man, everything good. Matter of fact, I don't know my credit. You're good.
Amanda baby.
Who is that?
Oh. Hello.
You can't come through because you haven't told me who you be.
What you say?
Or you going to come into somebody else and not introduce yourself? That's not this. Who is you? What's the problem? How may I help you?
I mean name James.
I don't know James, so I'm nowhere. Who you would like to see?
Amanda, I'm come link, man.
Amanda is not here.
She's not there?
No.
And who am I speaking to?
Her friend, who I asked.
Our friend and her name?
Them call me Titi, but my name Tameka.
So, Miss Tameka, where you say Amanda there?
I don't know, she's not here.
Oh. So you're here by yourself?
Yeah.
But she never tell me that she have such a nice looking friend.
I don't think I'm here for?
Well, I mean, you are here and you look nice. I would really like to come and have an... I can't get to your
For your
guineas.
information, I know that you look nice. If you want guinea, you can get it, you want it?
Yeah, man, I would like to have a seat beside you and eat two of the guineas.
Okay. If you don't even know who you be, but you can
But
come
I tell
and
you,
see.
says me name James, man.
You won't hurt to talk to a stranger for once.
So let me properly introduce myself. My name is James and you are?
Titi, as me say, but you can call me Tameka.
Okay, Mr. Mika. May I have a seat beside you?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Hi.
So, who is you to Amanda? And be honest, really honest.
No, man, Amanda, that's my friend, man.
Your friend,
Yeah.
and when you come here, you're like, babes, babe. What you mean, are your friend?
So I call all of my people and babes, man. Nothing to it.
That's weird, what you mean? Okay, anything else then?
Yeah, I mean, but you know, I wouldn't call you babes. I'm gonna call you bae.
Why? You know why you call me that?
No, but what you mean by?
I never tell you to see me as nobody.
Why you so defensive, baby girl?
What you mean by defensive?
You're behaving defensive, man. I'm a nice guy, you know.
First of all, you come into people in yard, you call to Amanda, I'm telling you she not here. You still step in and then you go and say me offensive. If you want to say something, get straight to the point, please.
So hold on there. Hold on. Why you behave like that? You know, you give me a personality like you know, you don't have much friends. Or you go through a phase right about now. Something wrong?
Well, I don't really have no friends, as you can see. Amanda is my only friend, but yeah, I don't really got nobody like that, you know? Yeah, so I feel like that's where it's coming from. I don't really feel like I'm offensive or whatever you say. I just, yeah.
But you can talk to me. Just calm down and talk to me. I'm a very good listener, you know.
First of
And so,
all,
look, hold on there. Was that a smile? Oh my goodness. Look at the beauty of the thing, man. Don't do that. Look how your teeth them pretty, baby girl.
listen. First of all, you're a stranger. How sure am I to trust you to tell you my business?
Baby girl. Like Nova Scotia, your secret is safe with us.
You sure I can trust you?
I promise you. I'm like a vault. I only keep money and good things in there.
I'm going to trust you, but I want me to hear this back.
You will never.
You know, say, I really am truly my mother. My mother, Lord God. My mother.
Really?
You see the lady I put me through a bag of stress. That's why I'm there because she run me out. And as I say, Amanda the only friend I got. So that's why I'm there, so now.
Really?
I'm stressed out. You know, like, I'm going, you know, like one evening. No. Yeah, she did sit down outside. And I say, I'm so glad to talk to the lady. Come here and say, I want somebody to talk to. I go out there, well, grab chair, sit down and talk to the lady. I depend, mommy, I need to give me she comes so. So I be like, okay, what that for? The lady not have no time for me to go as far as again. I go to talk to her again. She has to say, where you bother me for? Me have to work and blah, blah, blah. So, me don't know it's just my mother. And because I tell her that I go out with my friends because she not there for me, my friend there for me. She said, I must go live with my friends. So that's why I'm there, so.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, the struggle is very real.
Why? You see now, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah,
Look at this. God said to me, today, just walk and just stroll and just clear your mind and be free. You know, you have the whole day for yourself and not working today. And look there, I buck up on you and you actually want somebody to talk to you. You really send me to come listen to you, know?
You feel so?
Baby girl, I'm a listening ear to you right now. Anything at all you want to talk about, I'm all ears. I am here for you.
Listen, let me tell you the honest truth. Just talking to you, made me feel so relieved because I really need somebody to talk to. And it's like when I talk to Amanda, she come like my mother, she not listen, she just jump to her way and girl, I agree with the mother. And look, me come out good, it's just stressing.
You're what,
This
Titi?
really feel relief.
You're what, Titi?
Yeah.
This is what I want you to do. I want you to forget about everything, calm yourself down, and start from the beginning. And I want you to give it to me slowly.
You want me to tell you everything from scratch?
Start it from the beginning and just release it. You know, it will help you to free your mind. Just talk to me. I am here for you, baby girl.
That would be a long
I have nothing but time for you.
Yes.
I'm not going anywhere.
Let me clarify.
I can put all my phone on do not disturb right now.
Let me clear something for you. You sure say yeah, Amanda friend?
Me and Amanda is nothing. We are nothing more than friends.
You're
like
sure?
Positive, baby girl. TT, right now, I feel closer to you than I feel close to Amanda.
Hey, you just know me what kind of... I still know, no man line. You just meet me a second ago, you say.
But isn't the energy right?
Yeah, it's right, but
Then
Morgan say you just a jump to.
If the energy is right, that means that the chemistry will go work out, baby girl. Don't fight it. Just make it flow. Don't bring negativity into a positive situation. Right now, you're unloading. Just offload the man. I'm here to take it up and throw it away for you.
All I can say is going to be a long process. I'm going to feel like you want to hear it. I don't feel like you really want to hear it.
Still I try to
The main topic is that my mother... Okay. The main topic is... You understand me now? The main topic is... My mother don't got any time for me. You understand?
What is it you would like to talk to your mother about?
You never like... Alright, you have a mother, right?
I do.
You sit down and talk to your mother, like, and she look by you and she laugh, ask how is it day and everything, right?
Occasionally, yes.
I don't got that. That's the point. I need that. I need to feel like I need that motherly love, you know?
What about your father? Is he anywhere in these settings?
Don't even get there. That one, don't even get there.
Really?
She wouldn't even know. I get there. Don't get there.
Hear what?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you my number. And this number, you can reach me anytime, anywhere, at any cost.
Stop there. Listen. Hope you now come with this one bag of woman and man thing relationship because I don't want that. Honestly, I'm not into that right now. If you're going to be my friend, you're going to be my friend, okay?
Is a friend you need?
Yeah, I don't need no man.
Then it's a friend you're going to get, baby girl.
No problem.
I promise you. I'll be the most loyalest, nicest, kindest person friend you will ever need.
Okay.
Time you know, still, you know. Yeah, man, at time, you know, man, for me get some collection on my plane, because holy, listen, you know, my ears burn me, you know. That time, that girl call me. Yeah. Hello. Hey, TT, what's up? How you doing? You alright? Yeah, man, I'm there, you know. Hey, I want to tell you, say, yo, I've been there, just a think about you, and say, yo, I feel like I want to talk, you know, chill, I don't know. What you doing? Yeah? You know, can forward then, man. Forward, man. We not do nothing. Not one earthly thing. We lied like a feather, not doing a thing. But they are just a chill. Yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, alright, watch out, so I gotta direct you to the spot. Alright? Oh, a nice little spot, man. A nice little tree. And you can kick back and relax. Just something nice like that. Yeah, baby? Right. Oh, sorry about the baby. Once me tell you something, call all of my friends them. Alright, so here what you do. Just when they come outside of your yard, I want you to take the road. Right after it, you see, you're going to take the left turn there. Come to that shortcut there. Right, you see which part, the willow trees them and thing. And you go see some mango trees. The tall mango trees them, you can't miss it. Alright, underneath the coolest one me there. Yes. You forward? You forward with you? Alright. Alright, forward.
I thought I wasn't gonna find you.
No, what you talking about? I was watching you coming, man. So I see say you goes on the right track. Come on, have a seat, man.
Yes, I look dirty. I wasn't gonna say.
No.
Okay. Carry.
Oh man, you're good, man.
You'd have to wash it back if it not something girls in.
What going, best friend? You say you find the place well?
The thing I go last time, I tell me to sit in left and then go down to the shop. And I say, I look out and I say, oh no, James, that. It just a smile, so.
I'm happy to see my friend.
Anyways, really, I'm coming here, so come here, I want to come show you appreciation. All of this time, you just have me, I call you, answer me, I talk to you, I tell you things. But that really show me say a real friend do exist, and I just love that. I love that. So I really come to show you appreciation because I'm thinking you going to say, if I say you're going to really come, I say, yeah man, of course I'm going to come. Why you feel I'm never going to come?
I don't know, probably, you're not going to show me say you appreciate me or you don't really appreciate me, so sometimes, I don't know.
This visit is to show you that I really appreciate everything.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
you can show a nicer appreciation.
What you mean a nice? Hey, what you mean a nicer?
But you say we are friends, right?
Yeah, we are friends.
So why are you making up a face like that?
Because if
There's
you
no
like
need.
come off a weird start, I don't understand.
No, why you get... Oh, I'm Tia, man. Yeah, babe, sir. Come on, T, man. Oh, I'm Tia.
What you mean come... Hello, just get straight to the point. What you mean? You mean like we go to Roga buy 2 bottles and chill? What you mean?
No, what you talking about bag juice? Let us not talk about the chill thing. The chill thing I'm buying bag juice for kids. I'm talking about us taking what we have here to another level.
Get to the point, please. Because I feel like you get off for one start and I'm not going to like. So can you just get to the point?
No, I mean like, seeing as I'm such a good friend to you.
Yes, you are.
And you are such a good friend to me. I believe that we can be great friends together.
I'm not about that. No mean if you take advantage of it, the friendship.
I'm not taking advantage. I'm merely just putting it into perspective. Say, we are good for each other. See, I regularly think about you, you know.
Stop right here, Jess. What you mean good for each other?
See, then you don't think about me like how I think about you.
No. What you... Hey. Wait, no, me not
like this. Haven't I been there for you?
James. I want to get this clear before me get out of hand. What you mean we good for each other? You mean like a relationship thing?
But we don't have to start wherein it is a relationship. We can start it at a situationship. And
Don't touch me.
so why are you behaving like this? Am I not a good friend to you?
So because you're a good friend, you feel like you can't come take advantage of me? What you mean
I'm not
like?
taking advantage. I'm merely just trying to collect on my interests.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tell him about oh dear.
What? What is it?
Oh
A
dear.
box you box me a while ago?
Let me go. Don't touch me. You're just a pervert.
What you talking
I
about?
can't even you come up on me the other day, the people in me that come tell me, say, oh, you want to be my friend, I want to listen. So this is what you listen for.
But haven't I been there for you all this time?
So you've been there for me, that means you have to come, get under my foot or whatever. What you mean?
But you don't seem like you appreciate it then. You move like you don't appreciate the fact that I really a check for you.
What is this?
How many people you know would I do these things? If you want an ice cement, me run go get it.
So
If you had hot you, me carry you go doctor. And then you're behaving as if you don't want me to even touch you.
How?
And me if you get the prize.
Oh, I miss the part. Oh, I miss the part of you. Oh, I miss it.
What part?
This part of you being a pervert.
How is that a pervert, baby girl? I'm being such a nice guy. You know how many people would want a man like this?
Okay.
Who listens,
So no.
who attends to your
Let me
needs.
tell us first. Because I don't want a man. So why you never go? Listen to me. Don't.
But that was in the beginning.
I'm gonna leave.
I'm going to
because-
develop feelings for you.
Listen. In this studio, I'm gonna leave and make sure as the first thing I'm gonna tell man about you. Because I don't know what's this pervert.
You really leaving like that, TT? TT?
Babe, my daughter. My daughter.
Don't touch me. But you don't even know me eating right now, you know. Don't come and say, when since you have a daughter?
Listen to me, I always have a daughter. It's not like that. Because, you see, you don't understand what really are going with me and your mother. You understand me, I say? And this has nothing to do with you.
So, Daddy, you're my mother and son. Me and you know something, you treat me so all the day of my life. Me do you something, my mother do you something, me never do you anything. What you mean?
Your mother don't mean
My
nothing.
mother.
Listen. Your mother, only thing she do is reveal to me that me and she can't live in the same place.
You not have to live in the same place today with me, Daddy?
Let me explain to you, daughter. How is your relationship with your mother right now?
Don't.
Answer my question. How is your relationship with your mother right? Is it good? Is she somebody you can talk to?
Where? No.
Exactly. So, in my case, in my defense, I have to take myself away from my own sanity. Now, every time I try to call her, she has to say, boy, you're not there now. You're gone on the road. Or you're there at school. Or go visit her at school. Or she not even tell me which school you go to. Because she hide you from me.
So, Daddy.
So, when you call me, listen, she called me first. And she called me a complaint about you. Like, say she won't give me the opportunity to be in your life. She not give me the opportunity, baby girl.
Who is the man? Mommy, are you?
I'm the man, but...
Okay, you know which part mommy is. You don't care, you come there and come here to the house. Mommy can't stand up and talk to you. You're my father.
You know what she put a restraining order upon me? Because of her love for me. And she had tried to get herself out of it. No, she obviously out of it because she called my phone and feel so strong enough to talk to me. But at the end of the day, babe, it's not your fault. It's not my will or my anything to stay away from you, but I'm glad you called me. I was waiting for you to reach out to me so I can actually say, all right, you know what, it's time for she to understand how much I love her. You understand me, I say?
You give me a chance to talk?
What happened today?
You give me a chance to talk.
Talk to me, babe.
Me not have a mother, and it come like me not have a father. If me not have a mother to talk to me, supposed to have a father, me can call and say, Daddy, I want to talk to you. That's what you have mother and father for. If your mother is dead, your father dead. And if your father is dead, your mother dead. And me not see where you both are for. And it just come like a big log in my life.
Listen, if there's one thing we can guarantee you, your mother love you. But it's just that...
So say you don't love me?
I love you, but it's just that we can't coincide in the same place because we are too fire. We always a burn. Because she constantly wants to control things and me just understand that. But she love you. It's just the way how she expresses herself with how she love you. We can guarantee you that. If I want thing, anything you want, when you went sick and all them something, she run up and down for you.
So because why she can't show me that love and affection in front of my eye when I'm sick?
Listen, because she's not a talkative person. She don't know how to express herself. And you can't blame her. But I can guarantee you, your mother love you. Listen to me now, my daughter. I want you to leave from that area and go back to your yard.
She don't want me a yard?
She is just talking.
She don't want me a yard.
How much time she call the phone?
I don't see no missed call from her. Probably me block her. I block her because I don't want you for now.
So what you do then? You gotta take yourself away from her and make it feel like I share a fall. Listen, she only want the best for you, you know? She only want the best for you. And me want the best for you too. Eh?
What you want for
the
me?
Best for you.
So why you could call me and say, daughter come stay with me because my mother call me and tell me a bag of things. Your sister no me no go.
A daughter is best raised around her mother to show her certain things. A son is best raised around his father.
Now.
If there's a separation in a relationship.
Listen now. If me did there around you think what happened to me today could happen to me? If I did there around me to tell me certain things?
Well, that's true, my daughter. I'm not going to say everything what I do is right. I'm not going to say everything explained, everything. But you have to understand, say, at the end of the day, you come out just right, not true?
No. If me come out right, when me I do a people yard, when me I seek attention from a man because me want a friend to talk to, him call me today, you know, I'm go down which part in them, I go tell me about how him want this and that. Because me confine in him and tell him everything my mother put me through and you have put me through. And then he gonna put words to me. If you did that as a father and tell me how man stay, that would happen. I swear it would happen. Me blame it upon you. Me blame it upon you.
Tameka. Tameka, you take the blame, man. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to start from now to be a father to you.
So
alright? I'm going to start from now.
Yes. Promise
listen to me. No, alright. Actions speak louder than words.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so the time kind of dark. I'm going to tell you if I go down at your mother's yard now. I'm going to go down and talk to her. I'm going to go back home. So when I reach with her first, I'm going to call you back with your phone and make you know everything.
So if that doesn't work out, when
it can work out.
With you?
You want to come stay with me?
Yeah.
We talk about it. We talk about it.
down there, why I can't go and stay with
And no
my
matter say me
father?
have man down there, but my schedule kind of different. You understand? I'm not gonna tell you say me I live a perfect life. Since leaving mother, me always are up and down in my head and I try to gather all kind of stuff.
Daddy, me big no. We can't do certain things that for me. Okay?
Alright, so listen, we go talk to her first, because parents have a reason about this thing. And then we move from there. So.
Do what you have to do.
Alright, babe? Come go be father, no man.
No, I'm fine.
And that's I think. Don't be like your mother for be stubborn.
I don't want any
Don't be like your mother for be stubborn. Alright. My daughter, I love you. Me talk to your mother, then me come talk to you. Alright? I'm about to cry, man. Here what I saw. We talk. Yeah?
Okay. I don't pay him to promise you have, you know, I even not take your word for it.
Why if you see me an empty promise when I've never promised you in front of your face?
But you promised me over one girl, you never heard.
Show your mother never me talk to you like that.
It's
Tameka,
cool.
just relax and I'm gonna talk to you later.
Daddy,
Alright?
Yeah, just do what you have to do.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Come like we have a perfect timing. How we are go? Nobody look at me, sir. 1 second, please. Just 1 second. Come on, come. What talk with you? I'm gonna go cussing and go and sleep. Yeah, I'm nervous.
What is it?
Tameka called me and she explained to me what I want, but I come here so if cuss or argument, saying I don't want nobody go hear something there and you hear my voice and I'm something there. I'm saying, I think if you go for Tameka. Tameka, they are man that place. And when she called me and I explained, say, she want to work out stuff. She even said, boy, she want to move in with me. And we all know how that part of go because you say, nah, give her to me. Saying, but me have to tell her, I say, boy, I have to tell her one of the things. So what I have to do for me is that, go back for your daughter. You understand me? I say, no, we don't need the argument, yes, sir.
Why you not go fear?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, you remember the gate here? You know, say you was a mistake in my life.
Me hear that already.
Everything when she do now, because she used to listen to you. You is a mistake. You is not a daddy. One go look for her. You go bring her come.
She is waiting and you, me not come here for no argument in the boss. I got me a talk
Oh,
about
yo,
it. We have to try to draw me out.
Don't shout out in
No,
my yard.
but
we
what you
left. My man asleep.
You have man up here yet?
We left.
So hold on.
Don't ask me no.
You moving man with my daughter? That you do?
Are you
Let me stay for my house.
Okay, I know that.
So hold on. You have man that sleep against my daughter now? Eh?
How much room they on this?
What do you mean how much room upon this?
Me and my daughter never used to sleep with you and you and daddy. Me I go sleep with my daughter with the next man.
So what
and all that concern
what do you mean so that concern me?
Look here.
Me no come and argue and fight, Yo, sometimes I wonder.
How are these? You come like you forgot how we used to live. Put down your hand and raise it up back again. You look like you want to go out on 1 foot. Come out of me yard, but we house.
Go for me pitney.
Out of your
Go for me
house.
pitney. That's all me I tell you. Go for me pitney. Alright? Me no
And
come and
what
argue.
you gonna do me, daddy?
Me not go do nothing but go for me pitney because you want me go to prison. That you want me doing. You want to see me go to jail, not true? Eh? Cartel free now, so if you come out, so him come in and if you go in.
Don't call up cartel name in your dirty stinking mouth. That's why someone know I go a hell
You
you
see
know.
people like you, you see people go for me daughter. It's simple as that. I'm done there, so.
I know that. If me not go for her, come beat me, daddy. Come beat me. Who is you?
I don't know what I'm doing without the liquor, you know. Love me look around me and keep my brain calm. Alright, now my brain hot. Nah lie. Come like I see you living a calm, you don't know how I'm with you. Why? Every day me have to drink morning and evening. You can't right in your yard. What you say? I chat to you, you met us like what one thing on this rum thing.
Girl, you don't know if this keep me company, and this calm down my nerves.
I can't bother with you.
And this,
Manda,
that's why I'm there, so.
me I talk to you about serious situation. Talk to you about foolish. What's this?
What do you mean, what that? It calm down my nerves anytime my head hot. You don't know that? Eh? Anytime I feel weak and lonely like me not have no body, it help me. Calm me down, make me nerves. Calm down.
Me I talk to you about me not talk about that because this year make you stress like me telling you. Listen, I come to talk to you about important stuff. Listen to me. You know what, James?
Dirty boy James. For me ex. I be a fractal you want one and every woman if you want one of them fractal.
Man, I'm not stop you. What you mean? Your ex, James is your ex. Me not continue about me said the other day you're gone. I'm sit down out that door. Me hear somebody pan Amanda baby. So me say who is that? Well step in a yard and me don't know this boy from other Muslims. He's coming and some say who is it Amanda? When I know Amanda is my friend, but me should have picked it up because you could dirty boy come say, oh me never know some Amanda pretty people like you.
That's what James that look. What James that do on me yard? And that me want to understand that me can't get to understand no James.
Oh, girl.
What James that do on me?
Oh, me can't believe it's my confide in this dirty man and him coming lie to me.
When tell us, when come and tell us.
Oh no, a friend and me take he tell me to give me number because me tell me need friend. Me so long I talk to him like say I give me a talk to. Confide in him, you know, me say the other day after he take me number. The other day. Cause they call me for phone and attack say, like how we been going so good for the phone you can't come link me down a shortcut. Me take my nose say, well gonna batch and go beard and sit and I say yes, no me go meet my friend. Come me find somebody to chat to. Yo, what do you forget when me go down there with the boy I put to me? Just take a while, guess girl.
Look here.
Hey, come like you did it. I say I put him in a
Me
place.
not happy did it. Me know if you saw James stand. James a dirty boy. You can't. You couldn't call me and tell me, girl. So I'm mad.
You?
Girl,
Okay,
even though I love them, yeah. Even though you know I love this, I'm gonna let this because of this. This keep me calm.
You must tell me that try to talk about you and listen. I say I take out me and to give him a back, but in lucky thing say you have good with it. I say that connect up to this day last week, Alex. I don't say
can't believe.
I say anytime we go to dirty pervert, I'm gonna make sure you. I never know say your ex girl. I may live too much in beers when you put them say you have one dirty ex.
And you are telling me about James now, you know. So me that me never want to talk about James girl because James hurt my feelings. James grown under with every woman. Me and James say, me treat James good. James don't want no good treatment. James want grown there with everybody.
Girl,
So I just run James out of my house.
Right now, you see? You shame as a person. That's the girl to me shame right now. You shame so till you shame as a person that's me right now. But me blame you, you know. But honestly and truly, me blame
You can't blame me, girl. You can never blame me because what? I know me to tell yourself to go chat to James. You have to turn up on your own 2 feet then. You're a big girl. Me's not your mother. What is wrong with you, little girl?
What do you mean you're not my mother? I never said I need a mother. I did tell you I need a mother. If I didn't need one, you don't listen to me. Or whatever. You may blame you because you should have told me, so watch ya. When we did talk from church days, I did find one dirty man named James. Everything name I did mention to me. You?
Oh, me if you know say James want you, eh?
Don't
you're
talk
not,
to me, sir.
You're not big girl, eh?
You're right.
Me I kill me teeth with you? You're kill teeth with James. Oh! Me can tell you what you do for and what you do.
So I'm sorry.
You're sorry.
Yeah.
You're sorry.
I say I'm sorry, dear. I call your phone and ask you if I can come. I say you, I go left your yard, you know. I go left your yard.
You
And
know
right now, I go pack up.
You know one.
This is all you care about.
Yes,
I think
me
you care about me.
He said if you go find something to keep your company.
And really
is
that
my
your
friend. My friend.
Really that your pick?
Go on.
That your pick?
Go on to James. Go down. You chat to James. Go down to James.
You know what? I say I'm sorry the day. I can't find you and call your phone and tell us I want to come build a voice video. She don't even know me hate her right now. I go up here and go pack up my stuff there and you're not see me back. I'm sorry. Say are you?
To my friend, yeah. My best friend is a boy. Go down to James and James are damn idiot. Alright, just for me to sit down and chill. And go and drink my friend. all of the girls them. And that the girl you're choosing in your neighborhood, eh? What make you do that, youth? You know if you're not good somebody, eh? You're dirty man, not James. Eh?
So you behave so no like me like the girl why me choose her?
James, you know say, you don't want nobody that I know. You don't want nobody that you just walk around and look everybody pick me and fi use them. What I'm tell James? What happened?
But me like TT. Me like her, that's why me talk to her. Me can't change, you know.
You can't change you. For me know you. You not change until today. Look on you. You know me come take you for a while ago? Rumbar.
You know, she make me go run bar because she tell me say she don't want me and me I say, oh, I don't know what that for. I don't know where you tell her, like you go tell her, influence her and put things in her head, make she never bother like me. Because she didn't like me, you know. And I suckle me and she did a go man good, you know. Because we did start off as good friends. I was a very good person to her. And then all of a sudden, she never want me to touch her. I don't understand that.
First of all, when you come at me yard, pa, me not dead. Me left how much years now? When you come at me yard, pa, in our first place.
I pass me to the pass and me there heal up, but then it's fortunate that I run into TT and then me and TT start talk.
You a liar. You never that pass nothing. You, anytime you see people girl pick you, so you go on. I true you see TT, you know, make you go come over me yard, you know. I true you see TT, make you come over me yard because that's how you turn everybody you want. That's why me have to left you and run you from me yard.
Watch out, man. Amanda, just cool. Cause watch out now. I hear say, as you did say it, I hear now we left. You see me? So, I change. I do things differently. And go ask her if you think I like me, I tell. Ask her if I not check in on her. Ask her if I not call her. Ask her if I not listen to her. Ask her if I not always do everything to her.
Your mouth. Me don't want to hear nothing from you. You hear me? I say, you got me. I want you to lower, you know. Lower!
But I know your decision that.
Lower! Low! What me say to you a while ago? What me just say to you a while ago?
So, all of this is violence, all of this is violence,
repeat.
Right, I know,
You know why you're in yard. You come back on me yard.
I love her.
Love her?
I love her. And your choice.
There will be a big stone in your head. You know why I'm getting a youth. Love her! That me a tell you, James. Dirty boy.
So TT now have a mind her own. All you go on and I feel like TT really like me, you know. You can't stop me from talk to her. At my party, I must see her again.
You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today. The things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. She's missing the company of her daughter. show.